on adding a clustered column chart to the work. Okay, turn to page 858 to draw a custom column chart on a separate chart sheet using the recommended charts feature. Okay, select the range A3, G3, A3, G3. Okay, to identify the range of categories. So the categories will be January to June. Hold down the Control key and select the data range A9, G13. Okay, A9, G13. Display the Insert tab. Click the Recommended Charts button. Okay, Recommended Charts. Okay, and then click the first clustered column recommended chart to select it. Clustered column. Click OK. When Excel draws the chart, click the Move Chart button to display the Move Chart dialog box. Move Chart. Click New Sheet and then type Expense Chart. New Sheet. Okay, so it will be moved to New Sheet. Expense Chart. Click the OK button to move the chart to a new chart sheet with a new sheet tab name. Okay, Expense Chart. Okay, OK. To insert a chart title, click anywhere in the chart title placeholder. Okay, and then change the chart title to 6-month projected expenses. Select the text in the new title and then display the Home tab. Select it, display Home tab. Click the Underline button. Click anywhere outside the chart title to deselect it. Okay, so we have edited the chart title. Next is to add a data label. Okay, to add data labels, click the Chart Elements button to display. Okay, Chart Elements button to display the Chart Elements gallery. Point to Data Labels to display an arrow. Okay, Data Labels. Okay, click the outside end of the data labels fly out. Data labels fly out. Okay, outside end. Okay, click the Chart Elements button to close the chart gallery. Okay, so outside, inside, inside end, center, data call out. So we need this outside end. Okay, click to turn it off. To apply chart filters, click the Chart Filters button. Okay, this is Chart Filters button. Okay, in the series section, click the bonus and commission checkboxes. Bonus and commission checkboxes. To remove their check marks and then click the apply button to filter this series. Okay, apply. And then close the chart element button. Chart filter button. Okay, next is to add an exist title to the chart. If necessary, click anywhere in the chart area outside the chart to select the chart. Click the Chart Elements button to display the Chart Elements gallery. Point to Exist Title. Arrow and then click arrow to display the Exist Titles menu. Exist Titles. Click the chart. Click the Chart Elements button to display the Chart Elements gallery. Point to Exist Titles. to display an arrow, and then click the arrow to display the exist titles fly out. Okay, point to each option. And then click primary. This is primary horizontal, primary vertical. Click primary vertical on exist title fly out menu to add an exist title to the vertical axis. Okay, primary vertical. So we want it here. Okay, over here, vertical. Not here, horizontal is here. Okay, so we want vertical. Okay, and then click the chart elements button to remove. Select the placeholder text in the vertical axis. Placeholder text in the vertical axis. And then replace it with $sign. $sign. Okay. Replace it with $sign. Right click the exist title to display a shortcut menu. Click format exist title. Format exist title on the shortcut menu. If necessary, click the title options tab. Title options tab. Click the size and properties. Size and properties button, and then if necessary, click the alignment arrow. Alignment arrow. Okay. Click the text direction arrow. Text direction arrow. Click horizontal in the text direction. Horizontal. Okay, so this is to change the orientation of the vertical axis. Horizontal. Okay, so it is changed to horizontal alignment. And then click the close button on the task pane to close the format axis title. Yeah, and the next is to change the chart style. Click the more button to display the chart styles gallery. More button. Next, click style tree to apply a new style to the chart figure. Style tree. Okay. To modify the chart axis number format, right click any value on the vertical axis to display the shortcut menu. Any value on the vertical. This is horizontal. This is vertical. Right click. Okay. Click format axis on the shortcut menu. Format axis. If necessary, click the axis options tab. And then scroll until number is visible. Number. Okay. Change the number in the decimal places text box to 0. Change this to 0. Close the format axis. Okay, so we don't want these decimal places. Okay, close. Why it doesn't change? Alright, this one. Okay, yes, it has been changed. Next is to remove filters and data labels. Click the chart elements button to display the chart elements gallery. Click the data labels checkbox to remove the check marks. Okay, data labels. Okay, and then click the chart elements button again to close the gallery. Click the chart filters button to display the chart filters fly out menu. In the series section, click bonus and then commission. Bonus, commission. Click the apply button to add the compensation data back into the chart, and then click the chart filters button again to close the menu. Okay, all right. Okay, so we have done on this part on adding the clustered column chart to a workbook.